Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. Today we'll be looking at the stuff that GW just released, and I won't have the money to go buy any of them, not for a while. I'll be looking at few of them, and see if we can hopefully do a future project on it. Please subscribe, like, and share. And I'm going to probably do a 1,000 likes. If I get at least no, let's do 100. If I get at least 100 likes, I'll buy the Wrath of the Soul Forge King. That's about 200 some odd dollars. I'll buy it. I'll paint it. I'll even stream it if you guys want me to do that as well. Gives me a little boost for me to take my get my VA money to go buy it. But right now I am so scared to spend it. Right now I'm going to be buying 10 liters of resin just to 3D print Warhammer stuff and Dungeons and Dragons as well. And then yeah, I've been working on the world. I did not know that the corn was it Chaos Space Marines were called World Eaters now. So that's interesting. So there's like different units for World Eaters. And I was like, "Where's the Berserkers at?" It's like it's not in the Chaos Space Marines. I thought they're part of those. And like, no, they're part of the World Eaters now. So it's like, I just streamed last weekend that for the Berserkers. I want to buy the newer ones too. So we'll see how it is. So we'll look at the Wrath of the Soul Forge King. I think it looks freaking awesome. Tell you the truth. I think these are the Death Angels. I believe. But I don't know all the names of the factions. I'm very sorry. But I think these are going to be some pretty cool models, especially the Terminators. I know that I've got a new sneak peek on the sets that I am going to definitely buy. It looks like the Blood Angel Terminators. And with the Tyranids, I do want Tyranid as well. But these chaos I could use on my army. I don't mind doing another faction as well. This is fucking nuts. I never, ever, thought Games Workshop will make it, Chaos Space Marine really clean because they haven't really touched Chaos Space Marine until recently. Because I have the old school one, and I'm working on the Terminators from the 2000 era, so I'm liking it. And this is the Cultist as well. So I can't wait to get this, and I'm not pre-ordering $210 right now because they'll just take my money right away. It's just one of those things that it's just gotten so expensive over the years, and it got prices has raised as well, and freaking is intimidating at first, but it is something I like doing. I do like paint. Um, it is, sprues are a lot better. There's a lot more details than the past old ones as well. But we got the new Border Patrol too that I'm thinking of getting as well. Um, these are the Gene Stealers. I was thinking about doing some Gene Stealers. These look really cool as well. But I'm not gonna paint. I'm gonna paint them like the actual Zerg colors from StarCraft because I got some Zerg 3D prints I want to add with with the Tyranids. Um, but this guy also looked cool, like Clint Eastwood right here, cowboy style. But oh, someone subscribed. Thank you. um, but yeah, if I get the likes and the support, I will. I'm gonna delete that. Click that alert box off for now. And we got the Destus Custodes. I think that's what they call, or Mechanists. Mechanists. I do want all of them, tell you the truth. I do want all of them. It's just they're just really expensive. And I could 3D print some of them, but they're not gonna look the same. They'll be close enough, but they will not be the same. And we got the Chaos Demons that I need to get. I got some of these files right here, the Wolves. Um, it is something that I do want to, I need to figure out how I'm going to do it because I spent a lot of money on Patreons, just so you know, on STL files. I could probably buy like one box a month. The problem is GW does not like to mass produce these as they used to. Now there's like very small quantities of them, and it is one of those things that it sucks. The Tyranids are good too. I am building all factions. I mean everything, even all the space, different types of space marines, chaos, Tyranids, and the Tau Tyranids, and the Eldar, and the Tau. I'm just gonna pick one color scheme for it and go with it. Uh, the space marine would be different. It's just I just gotta pick the good color scheme for it. I think that'll be good. But it's good. But where is the newer ones? This is the newer ones, right? Yeah, we saw the. I don't think we saw the plague marine. No, where's the Border Patrol Chaos Space? The Death Guard. No, it's sold out. Someone bought it for 115. And I don't know if they're gonna release more of these. These are just gonna be raw. These are just pre-orders too. I got a lot of Death Guard I could 3D print, but I do want some GW ones because I got some Kill Team stuff as well that I want to get done with. No longer available online. You can go fuck. Go see if GW. Just make more of these for crying out loud. 115 for a lot of these. It's a lot, saves a lot of money, but I just wish they just print more of it. Chaos Space Marine. This will be good too for my Chaos Space Marines. But they used to be red. Now they're all black. So I gotta change my color scheme. Looks like it to the black ones. For so my Terminator is probably gonna be black. For it. So these would be cool to have. Well, the streams and stuff. If this channel has been blowing up really fast and going in a good direction. I thank you guys all for your support. Once we get the funds and we start, getting a little bit more support, we'll be able to get like a lot of these a lot quicker and build it and paint it a lot better as well. And gonna be more videos for these to come out, and hopefully more things to do at the same time as well. But anyhow, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.